Hello and welcome to the first look at the brand new Adobe Kuler App for iPhone and iOS. My name is Terry White, Worldwide Design Evangelist for Adobe, and it's my pleasure to walk you through not only the new Kuler app, but what's going on in Kuler, in the cloud, and even the Kuler website. So let's start off with the website itself. For many of you that have used Kuler in the past know that this website's been around for a long time, and it allows you to go in and create custom color swatches freely and share them amongst the community. Or grab inspiration from the ones that are out there in the community. And you can do all kinds of color rules. So for example, I can find the complementary colors based on the ones I pick here. And this has been great. But what if you need to capture colors around you? What if you don't have time to go in and manually spec them out? So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my iPhone. And I've got my iPhone open here, and I'm just going to go ahead and launch the brand new Kuler app. So once I launch the app, I kind of have, the same kind of deal here. I can go in, I can start editing and playing with the colors that I have here. But you'll notice that down at the bottom, not only do I have the ability to grab the color wheel and do the same kinds of things on the website, but also at the bottom of the screen, there is the camera button. So when I tap the camera button, that activates the camera on my device. And as I move around the room, as I move around my environment, Kuler will go in and start identifying the colors around me and allow me to pick them. Now, for example, if I kind of like what I'm seeing here, I can stop it just by tapping on the screen. I can drag these around and maybe say, well, I kind of want some of that pink, and maybe I want some of that purple, and I kind of like the gold up there, but I want some of the beige from the wall. And I can get just the colors I need using the new app. Once I'm happy, I can go ahead and snap or freeze that theme. And of course, if it's a picture you've already taken, you can load that picture in as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap and name this theme. We're going to call it, let's call it Terry's Office, because that's where I am. And just go ahead and type that in. Now, at this point, I can make it a public theme if I want to show it or share it with others around me. But I'm just going to go ahead. I can put any tags in it. I'm just going to go ahead and save it. Now, once I've saved it, I still have the ability to go in and tap the share button. I can share it on Twitter. I can email a link to it, or just, of course, cancel out of it. And I can still go in and modify it. I can go in and grab different colors and adjust them ever so slightly. I can grab the hex values of each color. Perhaps I'm working on a website. And I can just continue to go in and play. But the beauty of this is that this color, the minute I saved it, the swatch set, it's synced to the cloud. So if I now head back to the Kuler website and I head over to My Themes, there should be a Terry's Office swatch set. And there it is. So it's gone ahead and added that to the existing ones that I had already captured. Now, better yet, if I head over to the brand new Adobe Illustrator CC and I bring up the Kuler swatch panel, I can go ahead and tell it to refresh, go grab my themes, and there's the one from Terry's Office. So I'm working on this mock-up for a website, and I kind of like the beige that was in the wall there, or the gold that was in the poster on the wall, or the burgundy from the flowers. I can just go ahead and use those in my design. So this is really going to empower designers to work beyond just the colors they can think of and kind of create in the app, to actually capturing what's around you and using it throughout your workflow, throughout your design phases. And this is very cool to be able to do this, not only from a picture that you've captured earlier, but live. If you see something that inspires you, right then and there, go in and capture it and use it, and it's automatically syncing up to the Kuler cloud or the Adobe cloud. So with that, go ahead and check out the free Kuler app for iPhone, iOS, and you can go ahead and just grab that from the App Store. It should be available soon if it's not already available by the time you watch this video. But just keep checking the App Store. It should be released around the time I release this video, if not shortly thereafter. Take care, and we'll catch you next time.